more you grow up, the more you realize that none of us are easy to be with. We all suffer from something. We're all carrying something. Anxiety, past traumas, insecurities, fears. The journey of becoming is messy. It's complicated. It's human. It's not about finding someone without baggage. That person doesn't exist. It's about finding someone who's willing to unpack alongside you. Real love, real friendship, real connection. It's not about being easy to be with. It's about choosing each other, flaws and all, every single day. It's about creating a safe space where both of you can be unapologetically human. We are all works in progress. We are all a little hard to be with sometimes. And that's okay. We are not unified by perfection. We are unified by our shared imperfections, our shared struggles, and our shared humanity. Understand that the cracks in our armor don't make us weak. They make us real. And real is where true connection begins.